Today we are going to look at adding classes and the tools used in the online classroom on teacher web pages. So I'm already logged into the content management system. I'm going to click on teacher web pages here on the left, and you will see here this is my teacher web page. What we're going to look at today is classrooms. It works similar to pages if you've used that, but it has some different functionality. If you want to edit the classroom's name, you can click edit and type in your new display name right there. Maybe you want to say my courses or my sections or something like that. You can change the name right there and click on save changes. But for the meantime, we are going to keep it as classrooms. And I do not have any current teacher web pages available, so I'm going to click on add classroom. And let's say I have a English language arts class. And that's the title that I'm going to title it. And I'm going to click on Save Changes. And you will see that it added it right here under Classroom. So we're going to click on this English Language Arts. And this is your classroom for your English Language Arts class. And you can add a classroom photo if you wish. You can also add a description right here. So if we click on the edit button, it brings up the edit description box. And if you have a syllabus or something like that, you can add your course description right there as far as maybe what they're going to be doing within the class. I'm just going to put something we will cover spelling and grammar as an example. And I'm going to click on Save Changes, and it puts that description right there. You also get a calendar for each classroom that you add. So if you want to put events on there, so let's click on Add Event, and let's say we want to have a classroom discussion on a certain day. And if I have multiple classes, you can click this drop down bar and change which class you want to post it to. But since I only have one class, I'm going to keep it as English Language Arts. And we can say that we want this to start later in August, let's say August 17th. And if you want to enter a time, you can. Let's say this is going to be from 10 to 11. And we're going to also end it on the 17th. And as far as the location, you can just put classroom 127. And if you want to add a description of that event or add some details, you can do that right here. I'm not going to. And then after you get all of your details added for your event, you're going to click on Save Event. And it will tell you that it has actually been added. And then if we go over here to August, it highlights on the calendar that we have an event on August 17th. Down here at the bottom, you will see that we have some other features within the system of the classroom. These are the extra features in the calendar are features that you get that you don't get in the pages section. Some people get confused on what is the difference between classrooms and pages. Classroom gives you more functionality. Pages is basically just sort of a editor type feature that you can add text or links or something like that to pages. But Classroom, if you add a classroom, it gives you these extra functionality down here at the bottom, such as announcements, assignments, files and links, and an image gallery. Within each of these, you can change the name if you don't like the name of them. So if you don't like the term, if you don't like the term announcements, you can actually click on Edit Name and change the title that if you want to call it, I don't know, something else, maybe My Announcements or ELA Announcements or something like that. You can change the name right there and click on Save Title, and you can do that for each one of these. You can also enable and disable these features. So let's say if you don't want to use an image gallery for your classroom, if you click on the Enable right there, it actually disables that feature and it won't be live on the website. So you can do that for any of these.